Hello everybody, this is Jose Rocha with 3H Engineering, and got called out to this site to assess this beautiful wall of windows, and homeowner showed some concerns and kind of wanted a second opinion on it. What we have here is 2x4 main framing on what looks like might be about 20 feet of height, and that's never good, man. This is the walls need to be designed for the height, for the spacing of the windows, in order to be rigid enough to handle the design wind load associated with your area. I'm just gonna push on it here. I don't know if you can see, but the whole wall moves. I shouldn't be able to push on a wall and have the entire wall move. Also, the design of the roof was such that it's an open ceiling, open to the roof rafters. That means that we have lost our ceiling joists, which would usually be our tension members for the roof system. So what's gonna need to happen now is that we're gonna have to install some framing onto the existing wall, and we're also going to need to install a beam in order to support the ridge of the roof, because it's no longer a crushed roof design. It's now a supported ridge design. Take the weight off of it in order for it not to be pushing out on the sides of the wall, because there is no tension member from the ceiling joist. So it looks beautiful, but it's inadequate, and over time you're gonna have leaks, you're gonna have problems with the exterior finish. I'm not sure what the exterior finish is gonna be on this one, but these are things that a structural engineer should be involved with. This was a remodel done with no engineer. So these are the things that you wanna make sure that an engineer takes a look at. So like I said, fix on this is going to be, unfortunately, having to add a new framing system. The existing can stay. It's going to need to be attached to the existing somehow, and we can figure out those details. But also a column is going to need to be going up and support an entire roof span, which is pretty big. In this case, it's going to be a pretty large beam. So just want to give you a little bit of what to look out for and some of the stuff we deal with here. So Jose, signing out.